this build is a El Capitan tier on a 170 extended wheelbase. I'm super excited to show you everything that we've included in this. Starting with this rooftop tent. This is the Falcon 3 Evo rooftop tent from Roof Nest. It's got the rain shield, 3 windows. It's super cozy up here actually. It comes with a shoe holder on the side so that you can climb up, take your shoes off before you get in and not get your tent dirty. Mounted to the roof of the tent and is 400 watts of solar. You're not having to compromise power for play. This ladder is from Flatline. That is the wheel wrap ladder. This van has the Black Rhino wheels with the Nitto Ridge Grappler tires mounted to it. It includes the Agile off-road kit. This is the front bumper from Backwoods. This awesome light is built into it. It's also got the Warn winch in there. Around the side is the awning from Nomadic and the AMP Research Power Steps. I love these steps. It's gonna pop out when that door opens, pop back in. You're not gonna have to worry about knocking them on rocks or anything when you're out on an adventure. Around the back, we have the Los Saguaro tire carrier as well as the B2 bike carrier. This one is from Owl Vans. In the back, tons of storage in this garage area. We've got the electrical components on the driver's side. The passenger side are the water components. That's a 20-gallon water tank that fits snugly over the wheel well to save on space. The outdoor shower port and the inside. Let's go. All right. Starting up at the front, we've got Scopema swivels on the driver and passenger seat, the headliner shelf from Van Wife. In the overhead cabinet is the router for the Starlink. This is the Alpine dual bed bench seat. So this seat actually folds down into a bed as well. The Lagoon table, this folds out, giving you additional space with the cup holder in the middle. This van has not one, it has 2 televisions in here. It's a gorgeous tiled shower with the Lavio dry flush inside. A stainless steel fridge freezer combo. Ample overhead storage in here. Super, super plush memory foam mattress. The X2 AC is up top. Down below is a Furrion oven. Double induction cooktops. The Max Air fan, that's going to be for ventilation. And of course, the extended countertop. Thanks for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We'll see you next week.